Hey guys, Sweet Scoots here, and we've got this bike back again here. It's our customer's bike and they need it detailed out. It's all dirty and nasty. We're going to be cleaning that all up. You can see under here how dirty the frame is. The oil pan, pretty filthy. We're going to be taking care of all of that. And the wheels are horrible. So we're going to share with you how we clean them up, but they're not in good shape. They're pretty dirty. But this will be our ultra classic project. You'll be able to see it come right along. We're going to ceramic coat all the bike. All these bugs will not be on here. They'll come right off when we get all done. Be a fun little video series. Luckily this bike has a trailer hitch on it, so we just jack it up a little bit there. It goes off the front kickstand and we get the tire off. You can use your bike stand, and the first product that we're going to use on that, Meguiar's hot rim, and then we'll use Gunk engine degreaser and cleaner. We're going to use a brush, a couple of brushes on top of it. The first thing what we're going to do is, if I had taken these mufflers off, these tailpipes, they gotta come off anyhow, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. So we're just going to, we got our dirty clothes on, we're gonna lay out here and do this thing. I'll try to stay out of the way of the camera for you. We'll focus on cleaning the tire after we're all done with the rim. And you squeeze the handle pretty hard so it really foams up good. Get all the spokes. And we just let that set, and we'll go around the other side and do that as well. Now, I highly suggest a power washer when you're doing this because it'll make your job a lot easier. And I'm spraying the drive pulley on this side as well. Done. We let that set, and you can take your brush, your detailing brush, and you can actually scrub it a little bit if you want. I can't believe this guy let this bike get that dirty. He loves this thing, but I don't know. We'll do both sides just like this. All right, now what I'm gonna do, you can see the cleaner over there going to town. All right, we'll let that set. Not about 10 minutes or so. All right, we've got all those fuzzy things coming off the trees that time of year. All right, here's the first thing we're using is red Scotch-Brite, the red. And you use that with your mothers. Then you use your Eagle 1 wadding with your mothers after the Scotch-Brite and all that. Then we are using our handy dandy DeWalt with a buffing wheel on the end and mothers. And I'll show you how we're doing it. Now after we've used our Scotch-Brite and the mothers and then the Eagle 1 and our mothers, we go to our DeWalt and we use our mothers. We just put a little on the rim. Don't worry about the tire, we'll get that later. But you have to get the corrosion off with all that prior tooling. And you can use your DeWalt, it'll actually spin the wheel. And it will actually spin it so fast you'll have to use your hand to slow it down a little bit once you get it going. I'm pushing pretty hard till the drill's dead battery comes about. Now watch and see. Look at the shine, and all the corrosion is gone. There you go. All right, we're going to do the front wheel now. As you can see where the floor jack is, there's a certain happy point that you put the floor jack so that you can jack it up off the kickstand, and that allows your front wheel to turn. We're using mothers and a buffing wheel, and you do need a drill tool that has some guts to it, power. That's what we're using right there. And we're going to put a little mothers on it. Doesn't take much. You can press pretty hard. Not bad. Way better than it was before, that's for sure. Some more mothers, and we're using the Eagle wadding with it. Don't worry about getting it on your tire or your rim, because you're going to power wash this after you're done. That should be all the mothers you need right there. If you want it to spin slower, hold the drill at more of an angle, or more 90 degrees to the wheel. And as you'll see, I'll start turning it in. It slows down. You're getting more of a buffing action on it. Once you use a microfiber on this, it'll really shine it up. There you be. Look at that shine.